Welcome to Canadian Traveler. In this video, we will have an extended view of Guatemala City, the largest city in Central America. Enjoy amazing drone aerial views and first-person views of this great city. Thanks for tuning to Canadian Traveler channel, and don't forget to subscribe.
Every sound still echoes through the crowd. Hey, can you hear the call? Feel the rhythm, feel it all. Stay, let the moment rise like a flame up to the skies. We'll be free, forever free. Let the wind take you and me. Flies. Where the light meets the sand.
Walking the empty streets at dusk, Shadowed memories start to rest. Every step feels like a chain, trapped in whispers of the past. Your ghost haunts these silent nights, faded pictures in the pale moonlight. Can't escape these endless dreams, where your voice silently screams. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame. Shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cried, a mirror to the pain inside. These streets hold our history, every corner a mystery. Now they're just cold and hollow, with sorrow's weight I follow. Time's been slow in my mind's eye, where you still linger, haunting sigh in the cinematic woe. Your silence is the loudest echo. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame. Shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame. Shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame. Shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cry, a mirror